evening, good afternoon, wherever you're tuning in from. It could be early morning, wherever you're at. But welcome to the Queen's Curry Kitchen. I am Nupur and I am craving my evening chai. So what do you think we should have with our chai? Let's see. I was a little tired of the traditional cookies and all the salty snacks. So I decided to make some popcorn. Yeah, now this is something I've never done at home. So we are going to try to make some fresh popcorn from scratch right here in the Queen's Curry Kitchen. I also have my chai boiling. If you can see, I added the milk and the sugar. And now I'm going to add some cardamom powder. And then I'm going to add some black tea leaves. It's kind of late for tea, but you know what? Better late than never. Okay, so that's that. Now, I've watched all the tutorials that are there to watch on YouTube regarding making your own popcorn, and I'm gonna try to do the best that I can. And if I goof up, hey, I goof up. Big deal, right? No big deal. Stuff happens. So we are gonna start with butter, which goes right to the buttocks. Oops, I'm not supposed to say that. Hi, you guys. Do you love popcorn? Are you watching movies tonight, or have you already kicked Father's Day celebrations into motion and you are thinking of doing something fun, hanging out with your kids, catching a movie together? Unless your family's already bored with too many Netflix sessions that we have all watched in the past 3 months. I'm gonna crank up my chai because I pretty much want both these things to be ready at the same time. So the butter is bubbling. We certainly don't want it to burn. Oh wait, I have to get some salt ready. This is what happens when you've never made stuff in the past. There's gotta be a first time for something, right? Okay. So I will put some Himalayan pink salt, and the butter is already salted, so we don't want to overdo the salt. And I'm going to put these corn kernels. I will toss them around for a couple of, I hope this is how it's done, honey. I have never done this before, so you know what, either it'll be a total flop or it'll be a total hit, but we'll find out, right? Are you about to take this ride with me? Don't be nervous. Let's see what happens. So I put the cover on and it has a hole so the steam can escape. They said in the tutorial that make sure there is room for the steam to escape. Okay, if you've tried to make this at home, tell me what it's been like. I don't see any action happening. I think it's burning. Oh, the butter is burning. You need to turn down the flame. Like, what do I need to do? Somebody tell me something. Talk to me. Oh my God. See, I should sometimes just stick to the things that I know. Yeah, the butter is totally burning up, man. Oh yeah, they're forming up. Yay! Look, look, look. Oh, this is dope. I can see little popcorn happening. But it's very slow on the uptake. My butter will burn in the meantime. Oh man. Are you gonna happen? Are you not gonna happen, bro? What's the plan? Yes! Something is popping. Do you hear this? I'm gonna just keep on giving it a gentle shake. Please don't burn on me. Give me some popcorn. Sorry about the noise. Yeah. Oh my God, it's doing something. This is exciting. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is like missile firing. Damn. Yay, this is so exciting. I've never done it before, so I'm super excited. Give it a shake. Don't open the lid because this is like hot projectiles of buttered popcorn flying everywhere. Do not open the lid. I've used about, I think this is a third of a cup. And see how much it makes because I'm only one person. So I don't need to make a whole lot. Whoa, brother, this is exciting. Oh my God. Yay. It smells better than the microwave popcorn. I swear to God, this smells so good. Yes. I think they're all pretty much done. Wow. And I just used a regular copper pan. It's not even some fancy, heavy bottom, whatever crazy instructions they gave me. Yes, so I turned off the flame. I'm gonna give it a final stir. Yeah, and not even one kernel is wasted. Oh my god, that is huge. Except for the fact that, oh, don't make a mess. I just cleaned the kitchen. Except for the fact that the butter is actually burnt in some places. So you see some black flecks. But you know what? There's a learning curve to everything, Nupur. Right? Am I right or am I right? Yeah, there's a learning curve. I'm gonna put some chile lime dressing from Trader Joe's. And that's it. Oh my god. This has got to be so exciting. Smells really good in here. It's like so buttery and fragrant, aromatic. Wow. Imagine going to the movie theater and having to pay for this stuff. Hell no! Watch your Netflix and make your own popcorn. Maybe one day I'll try a caramel popcorn because that's my favorite. I love sweet popcorn. See, this is too much. This is only 1/3 of a cup. But imagine how much it made. Insane, right? And I think the chile lime dressing got burnt quite a bit. I made such a mess. See, it got burnt. Perhaps my pan is a little too hot. But you know what? I'm excited because, baby, this is a win for me. I've never made popcorn at home. So this is great. I mean, I made it in the microwave. I've just never made it in a pan. But imagine doing like a turmeric ginger popcorn or doing like a lemon and garlic popcorn. Wouldn't that be super duper awesome? Should I try it? You want me to taste it? Did you hear the crunch? Did you hear the crunch? We did that. You and I, we did that. They're gonna taste so good with my chai. Bro, I'm not even feeling guilty about the butter that went into this thing. Please, it's Friday night. Relax, people. Yes. Finally, something quick. And you know the chile lime dressing has a slight bit of a citrus kick to it. There's no heat from the chile, but the lime you can totally taste in this. So good. Guys, you have got to try this. I bought this during quarantine because I didn't know what else to buy in terms of snacks, and I was like, oh, I've never done it, but I'll buy it. So this was from the regular supermarket. I guess it works. Oh, my popcorn that fell there is burning. My chai is ready. My popcorn is ready. I'm a little crazy, but I still love you guys, and I know you love me, which is why you're here right now, right? So keep enjoying your weekend. Have a blessed Father's Day. This is my first Father's Day without my father. Yeah, and tonight is the prayer service for his first death anniversary. So, you know, I'm not there right now. I'm here and I can see him. I have a picture of him right over there. So, he's in my thoughts. But I'm happy for his liberation. I'm happy for the growth of his soul. And I know that he's at peace wherever he is. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drink my chai. I'm going to eat my popcorn. And thank God for putting all of you in my life because I can share whatever I want to share, and you guys are always patient and always loving and always supporting. So if you have any other creative popcorn ideas, let me know. I do need to finish that bag, right? Sooner or later. Let me know what are your flavor combinations that you like. As always, be blissful, be flavorful. If you want to take a class with me, you can log on to my website www.queenscurrykitchen.com. Beginner, intermediate, and advanced, all levels of plant-based Indian cooking classes are listed out there. And also, if you want to use one of my spices in this, that would be another thing. I never thought of that. Thank you. You guys are genius. Always thinking. Well, I'm going to finish up the rest of my chai. My strainer is ready. I have to go grab a cup. But I will see you in the next one. Be blissful and be flavorful. And enjoy your Father's Day to the fullest possible ever. Have a good day. Bye.